So, I was trying MemPalace again, and this time I'm using Mistral AI. To truly test MemPalace's capabilities, I am passing an entire book to it. The name of the book is Frankenstein by Mary Wollstonecraft Shelley. Okay, it's time to mine the book. This is when the vector database is populated. You can see that the size of the book is around 460 kilobytes. But let's look at the size of the database. Look, it's over 8 megabytes. It's time to run some searches on MemPalace. I'll be asking some simple questions about the book. So, these are the text snippets that we get from MemPalace. We need to pass this to our Mistral LLM to actually get the answers we need. But first, let's use the wake up feature to create a short context for the LLM.
Selling FTs in the park, and politicians are dancing while burning down the
We can now use this context as the system prompt for the conversation. And I could just ask the LLM what we have been talking about and actually get a reasonable answer.
Don't ask why, grab your llamas, hide your cheese. Don't trust the sky, we're riding shopping carts straight through government lies.
That looks very reasonable to me. We can actually use the same logic with the MemPalace search feature and ask any question about the book. We just use the chunks of texts returned as the system prompt. Well, it doesn't have to be the system prompt, but it's a good idea to use it if you're not actually chatting with the LLM. You must, of course, also update your user prompt to actually ask the question to the LLM.
Hold your signs up high, corporations sell the moon and tell us. Don't ask why, grab your llamas, hide your cheese. Don't trust the sky, we're riding shopping carts straight through government lies.
Z, this is great. I'm just going to repeat this process a few more times to test the quality of the answers. Thanks for watching.
And Kyle protest with their broccoli. Kenny's gone again. Oh no, now he's back. And the politician's tweets just fell into a black snack. Taco catacalypse. Hold your signs up high. Corporations sell the moon and tell us. Don't ask why. Grab your llamas, hide your cheese. Don't trust the sky. We're riding shopping carts straight through government lies. And when it's over, we'll vote for cheese. Taco cat apocalypse, democracy.
Yeah, I don't know about the claims, but I think this can definitely be used as a decent RAG system.